Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Hey everybody, let's get our hands warmed up for our daily affirmations. And here we go. I am happy. I am loved. I am awesome. I am kind. I am important. I am Billy. Alright, so we've got a special day today. Let's go ahead and jump into our calendar so we can find out what's going on today. The days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Today is Tuesday. Can you say Tuesday? Tuesday starts with t, t. T says t for Tuesday. Alright, let's count our numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Today is Tuesday, November 24th, and we've got a special day today. This says, Happy birthday. It is our friend Wyatt's birthday today. Happy birthday, Wyatt. Alright, so I'm going to play just a few seconds of one of my favorite birthday songs. It's called Candles on the Cake. And it says, Candles on the cake, gonna celebrate. We've got another year, and we're all here. And Wyatt is going to be 3 years old today. So can you count these 3 candles with me? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Candles on the cake. Gonna celebrate. Alright. Happy birthday, Wyatt. Okay. Now, I just wanted to show you something quick that is in the bag of materials that we sent home. It's in a little bag that says Visual Schedule. And you might be wondering, what is a visual schedule? Well, it's just little strips of laminated paper that I put together for you. Like this one says playtime, and this one says bath time. I couldn't possibly make a visual schedule knowing everything that you do in a day, so I just tried to put together some common ones that I thought would come in handy for you. The visual schedule is a really great way to practice transitioning, which is a very common IEP goal. So, for example, if you want to help your child with transitioning, you could grab a couple of these visual schedule cards and say, first we're going to play, and then we're going to take a bath. And then you can let your child play for however long you want. And I would say probably about 5 minutes before you want to start cleaning up. Say 5 more minutes before we take a bath, and show the card. In 5 minutes we're going to take a bath. And every minute leading up to that you can go, okay, 4 more minutes we're going to take a bath. 3 more minutes we're going to take a bath. 2 more minutes we're going to take a bath. 1 more minute we're going to take a bath. And then go take a bath. And the idea is that hopefully you won't have to use so many reminders. You might even just be able to show the cue card and be like, 5 minutes, we're going to take a bath. And these will help become a visual cue to signal that a transition is coming. Or you could say, it's lunchtime, and after lunch we're going to go outside. And the same thing, as lunch is wrapping up, you can say, okay, in 2 more minutes, we're going to go outside. You could also use these as a choice. If you want to let your child pick what they would like to do, there's not a whole ton of options, but maybe you could give them the option of, you could hold up two. You could say, do you want to play or do you want to go outside? And let them pick a card. There's also one for therapy. So if you have a speech, an OT or a PT session coming up, you can use this therapy card for that. Let me know if you have any questions about the visual schedule. Hopefully we can use that to practice transitions, and I hope that it works well for you. But until next time, have a great day. Again, happy birthday to our friend Wyatt, the big 3. I'm excited for you. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.